Hello, I'm Joanne James, the Crafty Owl, and today we're going to do some speed stamping. We're going to make a clean and simple note card using the Painted Lavender stamp set in under 5 minutes. This is the card we're going to make. It uses a Stampin Up notelet and envelope as its basis. These are great for quick and simple cards. First of all, we're going to die cut a piece of basic white cardstock using one of the perennial postage dies. This is a label that we're then going to stamp our lavender flowers onto. For the stamping, I used the lavender grasses, the small image in the set, and I stamped the grasses in shaded spruce, then added the flower blooms to the tops of the grasses. I stamped these in Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape, and I alternated as I went across the grassy image. This completes the stamped image. Next, we're going to stamp the sentiment onto the base of the note card itself. The sentiment comes from the perennial postage stamp set, and I'm stamping it in Gorgeous Grape in the bottom right hand corner of the notelet. I freehanded mine, but you could always use your Stamparatus or a similar stamp positioning tool in order to make sure that it's straight. Once this is complete, I added a small loop of ribbon to the back of the stamped die cut piece. I used a length of burlap ribbon from the Real Red and burlap ribbon combo pack in the annual catalogue, cut about 5 centimetres and just twist it into a loop, and you can adhere it to the back of the die cut using some tape. I positioned this behind the top left hand corner of the die cut when looking at it from the front. This is what it should look like when it's finished. To adhere this to the notelet, I used mini dimensionals. So simply add 4 or more mini dimensionals to the reverse of the die cut piece, peel away the backing, and then your die cut is ready for adding to your card. I positioned it in the bottom left hand corner of the notelet, adjacent to the sentiment that we stamped earlier. To finish, I added a couple of brushed brass butterflies as a final embellishment. I added 2 to my card, a small one that I added to the notelet base, and one of the larger ones that I added to the top right hand corner of the die cut. I think these make a really nice additional embellishment, a little bit of subtle sparkle, and just finish the notelet nicely. The notelet itself took only 3.5 minutes to create, so I decided that there was plenty of time to add some decoration to my envelope. I repeat stamped the same pattern that we'd used on the notelet itself, stamping the leaves in shaded spruce and then again the flower pieces in Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape. I always like to add a little bit of extra decoration to either an envelope or the inside of my card. I think it makes a really nice finishing touch. And there you have it. One coordinated notelet and envelope in under 5 minutes. I'm Joanne James, the Crafty Owl, and I hope you enjoyed today's project. For more inspiration, be sure to subscribe, check out my blog and my social media channels. Thanks.